Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1968 Malibu. This car is over the top. I got Ron here, the owner, is going to tell us a little about it. How are we doing today, Ron?
Hey, how are you?
Man, not your average Chevelle though, is it?
Nah, we put some time and a lot of money into this car.
I bet, man. Really shows. Very particular guy. Finished in GG, ash gold, it's the original color. Super nice car. Got American Racing torque thrust. A nice sticky on the back. That's Mickey Thompson ET Street. Beautiful chrome paint, stainless, super straight body. It's like a 3-inch exhaust coming out the side there. Nice sway bar. That rear's pretty sick. What do you got back there?
Rear's a strange S60 differential, 35 spline posi, 373 gears.
Must cruise nice with that 5-speed.
Sure does. Sure does.
Coated digital gauges. All the lights and everything work perfectly. Got super bright halogens up front too. Fitment of all the panels is just phenomenal. Let's check out under the hood. Mama, what do we got here? 496?
496.
Yep.
Dyno'd at 630 horsepower.
Whew. What was the torque?
Torque was 670 foot-pounds.
It was pretty good, huh?
It runs. It runs. 6,000 RPM. Nice street car.
Yeah, man. All the wiring is beautifully done. This fuse box. It's got the black 6AL. That's the new version. The blaster coil and an air filter. It's got the bare brakes with line lock and the booster here. This motor sucks a lot of air and you lose vacuum through that, so that kind of holds the air. He's got this Borgeson steering box too. It's like a short ratio.
Yep.
CF power steering box. All aluminum pulleys. Chrome valve covers. MSD wires. Looks like you got a new wiper motor.
Sure do. It's got a DeWitt's custom aluminum radiator.
That's a nice radiator. Monster. Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads. Yeah. Those are 100cc. They flow really, really nice. Optima battery. And no expense spared on this, huh, John?
All right, we got a lot into it. A lot of time.
Edelbrock high rise. What kind of carburetor?
Pro Systems.
Systems carb too. What's the CC on that?
That's 980.
Whew.
Custom built for this motor.
Wow. Who did the motor?
Motor was done by Andy Jensen from Jensen Competition Engines in Pennsylvania.
Oh, that guy knows his stuff. No joke.
Brand new. It's got 500 miles on it.
Wow. Man, freaking tastic. What kind of headers are those? Those are all Mandrel bent.
Yeah, those are Lemons headers from California.
Mm-hmm.
Custom made for the car. He does awesome work. We have him ceramic coated.
Wow.
No
Looks
nicks,
great.
no scratches. Beautiful header system.
It really
Fits the car
is.
like a glove.
I also noticed the all the lines on here too. Like you got all these stainless lines.
Got all braided lines from the fuel tank all the way up front. They're Teflon lines, so they'll last forever.
Yep. All the clamps and everything. A lot of attention to detail on this car. An original paint too. It's QQ, ash
GG.
gold, or GG.
GG ash gold.
Ash gold. Sick. That's fired up. What kind of tranny is that?
It's a Tremec TKX 5-speed.
Oh, that's the new one.
Yes, it is.
It's got the quick light on there too.
Yep, the color digital dashboard.
Beautiful. 3-inch exhaust. Man, that sounds so good. What kind of?
Dynomax mufflers.
Dynomax.
Flowmaster tailpipes.
Wow. Dynomax sounds so good.
They do.
So nice. Again, beautiful, super straight body on this car. It's got that big sway bar in the back. Exhaust is completely mandrel bent too. New gas tank under there. Yeah, pretty body. Bucket seats, these are new. Those gauges are phenomenal. Beautiful. Got a Bluetooth speaker in here too. Super nice dash. Beautiful headliner. Got a LED interior light too. Front full, lasts forever. Beautiful door panel. Seat belts all the way around. The original GM seat belts too. Real nice package tray. See the ash gold here. This is the original paint on the inside. When they painted it, they didn't want to paint the jam because it was so nice. Man, you can really hear the roller in there. That's fantastic. All new padding under the hood as well. New hood hinges too. It just fits so nice when you close it. Yeah, completely taken apart and get back together. Awesome. Probably cruises real nice on the highway, right?
Yep,
70?
70 miles an hour, 2,000 RPM.
Wow.
All day long it'll do it.
Yep. I have the 5-speed in my Cuda. It does the same thing. It's such a pleasure to drive. And probably with that steering box, it's nice and tight too, not all over the road. It's got wheel woods in the back. Those are drilled rear brakes. Need the CT Street on here to keep this thing on the ground, man. Disc brakes up front also. Stock Chevy up front. And those are drilled. Oh, the stock's super nice, huh?
Fantastic. Fantastic. Stop nice and straight.
Man, Ron, what a pretty car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 300 photos I took today at this car on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Smash that subscribe button. Hit me up. Ron, thank you so much for joining us today. Really appreciate it.